Hey creators! Today I'll show you how to make amazing YouTube thumbnails in under a minute using UltimateTap's AI generator. Let's do this. Head to ultimatetap.io, click on YouTube Thumbnail Generator and enter your video title and subtitle. I'm using Adventure in Mars as title and my trip to Mars as subtitle for our example. Provide a short description of your video. Pick your style: modern, gaming, vlog, whatever fits your content. I'm choosing modern for our space theme. Select your brand color if you need. Hit generate. Pick your favorite design and download. That's it, your thumbnail is ready to upload.